Good day, Fit and Healthy family. Good day. So I'm just going to do this very quick tutorial on how I track my oil sprays. Okay, so this nonstick cooking spray, avocado oil, great for keeping your egg whites from sticking. Look at the label, 0 calories. This is a lie. This is a lie. This has 9 calories per gram, but look at how they trick you with the serving size. 1/3 of a second spray. No one can do that. Okay, it's just crazy. No one does that. So you need to track your sprays if you're trying to lose body fat and you're stuck and you're wondering what is going on. This may be what's going on. You're using too much cooking spray. Okay, be careful with this stuff. All right, so I got my food scale here. It's set to grams. Let me just tear it again because sometimes if I don't tear it, it'll shut off automatically. And I'm gonna put my lovely non-stick I cook cookware on here. Don't mind the little suds on the back of my cookware. Okay, what we got here? 1,741 grams, okay? Now, we want this to go no higher than 43. 2 grams, that's all you need. Watch me. That's it. So this is how you handle those cooking sprays. You only need 2 grams to oil a big pan. Okay, this pan is great for one pot cooking or one pan cooking. It's so huge. It's non-stick. I don't have to use a ton of oil. So I recommend non-stick cookware, and then count your sprays. Don't use more than 2 grams of the stuff. You don't need it. It's just adding calories that you don't need, okay? Protein calories build muscle. This is energy calories. So everybody's running from carbohydrates. You need to be running from energy in all its forms, whether they be fats or carbs, okay? Excess energy creates excess body fat and creates excess metabolic syndrome. Okay, we're wondering where this obesity epidemic is coming from, because people are eating too much energy and not enough protein, not enough fiber. All right, hope this helps. Take care. Bye now.